Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today short tutorials how to buy cryptocurrency on Revolut app. To do this, go to your Revolut app and from the top menu select crypto. From crypto, push button invest. Here choose your cryptocurrency. You can search using this search bar to search your cryptocurrency what you want to buy. Or if you have on my display cryptocurrency what you want to buy, you can just click. In my case, I want to buy some Polkadot, so I push on the dot. And from this top menu, select button buy. Now we type how many Polkadot we want to buy. You can type in dot, for example, 1 dot. So this is cost around 40 Polish zloty. Include fee, or you can type how many you want to use your currency. In my case, it's Polish zloty. Of course, you can choose another currency, another crypto. So it depends from you. I use my Polish zloty, and I want to buy, for example, Polkadot for 10 zloty. So like you see, I got a couple of the dot, and here is fee. 0.18 dot is fee. So to buy this, push button buy dot with PLN. This is summary, how many I got dot. If all is okay, push button confirm order. And voila, I bought a little bit Polkadot cryptocurrency. If you want to see how many you have cryptocurrency, back. And from this main menu, crypto, you see how many cryptocurrency do you have. In section investment, I have Polkadot. If you want to see more, push button see all, and you will be see list of you all cryptocurrency what you have bought by Revolut.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see in the next one.